to Glee Travelers, and this is me, Varsha, and
This is Jyoti.
Hello.
This is Kanta.
Hi.
You know her. And this is Janvi. You know her as well. And where are we heading? We are heading to Ladakh. This is just the start of our journey, and it's 2 a.m. right now. And we are super excited. We just got a chance to travel to Ladakh, and we did not want to leave this chance at any cost.
so Leh is definitely a dream destination for me. And we are flying directly Mumbai Leh Go Air flight for 5,000.
After 1.5 years, but desperately wanted to go out somewhere. So yes, I
Yeah.
will explore this opportunity.
You're excited?
Thank you guys for this.
What about you? कितने महीने बाद आप ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं कांता?
आपकी राज में इंसान ज़्यादा दिन का ब्रेक ले ही नहीं सकता। हम रिसेंटली घूम के आए और वापस 5 महीने के बाद हम वापस ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं। तो
ये give me
basically hardly 5 months.
और आप?
Of course, we went to Goa in Feb. How can you forget?
So हम लोग निशिका हॉलीडेज़ के साथ ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं एंड वी हैव अ 20 गर्ल ग्रुप फॉर दिस ट्रिप, जिसमें से 16 मुंबई से ही हैं। एंड फॉर श्योर हम लोग कुछ नए दोस्त ज़रूर बनाने वाले हैं। हमारी मस्ती तो फ्लाइट पे चढ़ने से पहले ही चालू हो चुकी थी। एंड आई ऑलरेडी रिमेंबर 10 गर्ल्स बाय नेम। मैं पहली बार 20 लोगों के साथ एक साथ ट्रैवल कर रही हूँ। सो द एक्साइटमेंट लेवल इज़ सुपर हाई राइट नाउ। Finally, we see the first view of the mountains. And it's time to go below the clouds. And look at these majestic mountains. Just incredible. Guys, you must fly down to Leh. Leave apart the road trips. So Mumbai Leh, there's only one direct flight Go Air, and the flight time is 2.5 hours. Beautiful landscape to welcome us as we stepped out of our flight. Let's begin. We have got 2 vans to ourselves, and our hotel is 3-4 kilometers from the airport. We are staying at Alpine Villa Hotel.
We are at the second floor. Our room is right there at the second floor, and this is the open balcony we have, and beautiful day it is. Sun is all out for us around.
Let me give you a 360-degree view of the majestic mountains around me.
Now we are going to go out and look for some lunch place, and we are going to explore 2-3 places, and we are going to enjoy the Ladakh.
होटल पहुंच के ब्रेकफास्ट करके अराउंड 9 और 10 o'clock हमें रूम अलॉट्स हो गए थे, और उसके बाद हमने 3-4 घंटे का रेस्ट किया बिकॉज हम लोग रात को भी नहीं सोए थे। ऑल्सो हमें एक्लिमेटाइज होने के लिए रेस्ट करना बहुत ज़रूरी था। एंड आफ्टर गेटिंग अप हैविंग लंच, नाउ इट्स 3:34 and we are heading to Shanti Stupa. I don't know about how beautiful pictures I'm gonna click on this trip, but the memories I'm gonna take with me of this beautiful place is gonna be far more beautiful and far more long lasting. Now I understand what it means, travel to experience. I'm not sure अगर हम लोग fully acclimatized हुए हैं, but it doesn't matter. Look at this is incredible. Shanti Stupa is located at a height of 11,841 feet. So Shanti Stupa is a religious place for Buddhists, as it holds the relics of the Buddha at its base, enshrined by the 14th His Holiness Dalai Lama. This beautiful white domed stupa is located on a hilltop in Chanspa in Leh district, and this was built in 1991. The Shanti Stupa overlooks the city of Leh, providing panoramic view of the city and the village of Changspa. Shanti Stupa was built to promote the world peace and prosperity, and to mark the completion of 2500 years of Buddhism. It looks exceptionally beautiful on a full moon night. Now let's enjoy the views. This is the meditation center of the Shanti Stupa. Let's freeze some memories. Happy Independence Day, guys. I feel so proud to be an Indian. और इसी तरह हमारा कारवां निकल चुका है अपने होटल की तरफ। We explored the Leh market in the evening and some cafes.
At coffee time. 40 years की friendship है आप दोनों की. 30 plus. Very good morning, guys. I did not end the vlog yesterday night. We were super tired. We had to do a small packing. We need to carry a small bag because we are going 2 days to Nubra, Penang, and Khardula. So these 2 days we are gonna keep our main luggage here in this hotel, and we are just going to carry one backpack. So health-wise, we all are doing good. Little headache here and there. So for that, we have just taken Comiflame or Dolo. Otherwise, no other tablets we have taken. Another thing is we are drinking lots of water. We all are first timers here, so yes, and we all are super excited. So we are like engaging into so many activities, running, getting pictures, going to market. So yeah, you need to do a little less activity as you arrive in, and take a day and acclimatize, and then you can just enjoy. But the thing is, we are now good here, but now we are going on a higher point, so you know it changes the whole dynamic again. Let's see how it goes. Guys, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel. And in case you have any queries relating to Leh, please put the comments in the message, or you can DM me on my Insta ID, which is same as Glee Travelers. We are gonna end our vlog right here. We are gonna head to Nubra in our 2 vans, and we're gonna have super fun. For now, we are just signing off from Leh, and whatever makes your soul happy, do that.
And this looks like our next adventure. Don't miss to watch out on next Sunday. Thanks for being part of the journey.